I was going to show you a brand new weather clicker. Oh. We got our own new baby here. Brand new weather. It's small, it's sleek. You'll hardly even notice it unless I show it right there in front of the camera. All right, no big deal, right? Here's our storm system. This one's impressive, bringing some snow, now wrapping in even colder air. Heavy snow right now in Iowa. It's going to wrap its way on into western Wisconsin area, low pressure across the nation's heartland. We're also watching what's going across the southeast. While this line of rain pushing into Indiana this morning, we've got this storm system sitting off the coast. That is Tropical Storm Sean. Now, Sean has winds around 50 miles per hour. We'll talk more about this, the latest update from the Hurricane Center, in the next half hour. Bring it closer to home. We're going to watch this thing, the storm system, try to reach us in a diminished form as we head on in through tomorrow. We will have ourselves a threat of some showers, and yet there will be some strong winds. Moisture from the outer reaches of Sean well off the coast, but tomorrow afternoon and evening, that front swings through, and then we're looking for those strong winds behind it. All right, let's quickly go through it. Today we're looking for high temperatures, oh gosh, in the mid-60s down to the mid-40s.
Wednesday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 7 will be part of a nationwide test of the emergency alert system.
Every station, every channel is running this test at the very same time, but we don't want you to worry. It's only a test.
Thanks for watching 7.
On November 9th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, radio and TV stations around the country will conduct a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. This special test will be similar to the test you hear and see each month and will only last about 3 minutes. After that, regular programming will resume. When you receive the test alert on November 9th, remember, it's just a test.
Will be conducted in the event of an actual emergency, and it's meant to provide information in a national crisis. So they're rolling out this national alert system. Remember, you cannot avoid it by flipping the channel. It's weather warnings. Again, this is only a test. That was only a test. And this is America Live. That was fun.
It got me amazing results in 60 days.
Alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard
Dear all people of the United States, please pay careful attention to this urgent national emergency broadcast. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This situation could lead to the annihilation of all life on our planet. Entire cities will face destruction. The inevitable is upon us. Nevertheless, it is crucial to remain calm, as panicking will only worsen the situation. Do not attempt suicide in any form, to prevent causing distress to those around you. Spend your remaining hours in the most peaceful manner possible. Engage in activities that bring you comfort. Do not frighten your children. Prioritize their comfort during this critical time. The table is ready, and the feast is coming for its children.